Alright, in this video, I'll be showing you how to make money with artificial intelligence. Alright, now this strategy I'm going to implement is super easy. Anyone can do this. When I mean anyone, it's super easy that all you have to do is to use AI, which is ChatGTP. You can go to chat.openai.com, or you can see the name over here. You can see the name over here, ChatGTP. Okay, go ahead and type it on any of your browser, either Chrome or Brave, any browser you're using. Okay, then when you log in, all you have to do is to put these prompts I want to paste. You can say, okay, sure, just send me the original prompt you want to work on, and I will create several different and unique version. Okay, so now I have a prompt here. You can see the prompt. Now this is saying a this hyper realistic photo college future. Okay, and I'm going to change this is Indian man, so I'm going to change this to a Nigerian. Let me use Nigeria. All right, so you can copy this prompt. This is the prompt. You can see this is a prompt. You can pause the video and copy the prompt. Okay, and this is what ChatGPT is going to give me. Now this is prompt one. The hyper realistic for the college pop up. Prompt two, you can see prompt three, you can see prompt four. Wow, you can see prompt five, prompt six. Okay, now would you like this adapt for AI has tools like Midjourney or DALI, or you want, you can see now all you have to do what I'm going to do, I'm going to use my normal WhatsApp for this. I know most of you don't know that you can do this with WhatsApp, so I'm going to open my WhatsApp and do this with WhatsApp. Okay, let me open my WhatsApp, and I'm going to use this Ask Meta. Okay, are you seeing it? Ask Meta. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to post the prompt, and I'm going to click on send. WhatsApp can now generate image for you. Now this is not for business WhatsApp, this is for your normal WhatsApp. Okay, now you can see this is what WhatsApp gave to me. I seen this. I seen this. This is super amazing. I seen this. Now if I want another one, I will go back to ChatGTP. Now that was the first prompt. Let me copy the second one and also come to WhatsApp and paste it. Let's see. It's loading, as you can see. This is super amazing. You can see this is, now to download this, just click on it, click on this three dots and click on save. Boom, that will save to your gallery. So you can see you can use any of these for your folktale stories or any. You can see, now look at this one. This is amazing. This is, if you want to save this, you can go ahead, click on this three dot and save it. Now you can continue the rest. Okay, let's see. And we also have this as well. Copy, go back to WhatsApp. Remember I say different varieties, so these are different. Now you can see all the tools I'm using to create these are free tools. Yes, all these are free tools, including, now look at this. Man, this is amazing. I seen how realistic this image look. This is amazing. Now one thing I want you to know, if you want to use this image, if you look down here, you can see there is a meta watermark. So all you have to do is to crop it if you want to use any of them for your design. Are you seeing this? This one is if you are in wedding gown or what? AI. Now you see all these these pictures, you can use them for, you can use this to create advert and it will convert, because these pictures are so hyper realistic. Okay, so let me also do the next one and see. Now another thing, you can sell these pictures. Yeah, this is like a frame. You can see these are like frames. You can see you can also sell these. Look at this, is for African folktale, guys. Now this is something you don't want to joke with. Now this, you can use this for African folktale. Look at it. If you want to create a talking head photo, man, this is mind blowing. Let me check for, I think they gave me five. Yeah, five. Let's try the last one. This happens to be the last one. So let's try it out as well. So boom, and so you can go ahead and sell these images on Facebook Marketplace. Now look at this. Look at this, guys. Now if you want to create AI logo, maybe the next video I'm going to do is how you can prompt ChatGPT to create logo with WhatsApp. So if you want that video, just comment AI logo creation in this video, and I'll go ahead and show you how to create that as well. I believe this is well explained. Don't forget to like and share this video to someone you think this might be of help too. And if you have not subscribed, then you are missing out on this channel, because I'll be dropping more engaging AI content generation tips and how to make money on this channel. So go ahead and like and subscribe if you have not done that. See you in the next video. My name is Stephen E. They call me the business coach. Peace.